Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2026 Hindustan Ambassador. A car that once ruled the streets of India with its iconic silhouette and unmatched presence has made a triumphant return, blending timeless heritage with futuristic innovation. Let's explore everything about this stunning machine, from its jaw-dropping exterior to its powerful performance and why it's set to dominate the market once again. The first thing that grabs your attention is the Ambassador's bold, unmistakable design. The 2026 model pays homage to its roots while embracing a sleek, modern aesthetic. The classic boxy shape has been reimagined with smooth, aerodynamic curves, creating a silhouette that's both nostalgic and futuristic. The front end is dominated by an expansive grille, intricately designed with chrome accents that glisten under the light. The iconic Ambassador badge sits proudly in the center, flanked by sharp, matrix LED headlights that stretch elegantly toward the fenders. These high-powered lights not only enhance visibility but also add a distinctive character to the car's face, ensuring it stands out on the road, day or night. The side profile is just as captivating. The long, flowing lines give the car a commanding presence, while the sculpted body panels add a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. Chrome door handles, flush with the body, add a touch of luxury, while the large, multi-spoke alloy wheels provide a sporty edge. The wheel arches are subtly flared, giving the Ambassador a robust stance that hints at its impressive performance capabilities. The side mirrors are equipped with integrated LED indicators, and a panoramic sunroof stretches across the roof, flooding the cabin with natural light and adding to the car's upscale feel. Move to the rear, and the Ambassador continues to impress. The LED taillights mirror the front design, with a sleek, linear pattern that enhances the car's futuristic vibe. The rear bumper is sculpted with precision, housing dual exhaust tips that hint at the power lurking beneath the hood. The trunk lid features a subtle lip spoiler, adding a sporty touch without compromising the car's elegance. And just like the front, the rear license plate area proudly displays the Ambassador name in a bold, modern font, reminding everyone that this is not just any car, it's a legacy reborn. Under the hood, the 2026 Ambassador is as impressive as its design. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, it delivers a robust 250 horsepower and 380 Nm of torque, providing a perfect balance of power and efficiency. The car can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 7.5 seconds, making it one of the quickest luxury sedans in its